In this video, I'll show you why your sniping tool is not working. So if you have any issues with yours, I'm going to show you what you need to do. This video is only for educational purposes only. So come on here on this search, type in settings, wait for it to open up, click on apps, click on default apps, type in sniping. Okay, from this option, type in sniping. So it's going to come out, click on it. Okay, wait. I think what you need to do, I think from this option. Okay, yeah, so apps and features. So come on here, type in sniping. So this is it. Open it. So you can see currently it's 815 MB. So I'm going to open it. So advanced option. So it's going to open up. Right now you can see what you need to do. Just come on here, click on reset. Once you click on reset, your sniping tool is going to be able to work out well for you again. Then click on repel as well. So if you find this video helpful, subscribe.